Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg with bread. First, select your favorite bread, perhaps a hearty sourdough or a soft white loaf. Using a cookie cutter or the rim of a small glass, carefully cut a hole in the center of one slice. Next, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, place your bread slice into the pan and gently crack 1 egg directly into the hole you created. This sets the stage for a delightful meal. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg white around the edges begins to set and turn opaque. You want the bottom of the bread to be golden brown. Now, with a gentle hand, carefully flip the entire bread and egg combination over. This allows the other side to cook and the yolk to reach your desired consistency. Don't forget to toss the small, cut-out bread circle into the pan as well. It makes a fantastic dipper later on. The cooking time on the second side depends entirely on your yolk preference. For a beautifully runny yolk, cook for just 1 to 2 more minutes. If you prefer a medium or firmer yolk, extend the cooking time to 3 or 4 minutes. Feel free to season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper while it cooks. You can also sprinkle a little shredded cheese or some fresh herbs like chives for an extra burst of flavor and a gourmet touch. Once your egg and bread have reached your desired doneness, carefully remove them from the pan and place them on a plate. Serve immediately while everything is warm and inviting. The toasted centerpiece is absolutely perfect for dipping into a runny yolk, creating a delightful bite. This simple yet satisfying dish is incredibly versatile, making it an excellent choice for a quick breakfast, a leisurely brunch, or even a comforting light snack any time of day. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.